Hi, this is Bill, your C Sharp instructor. So now this is a hands-on course that will help you out familiarize with C Sharp. So prior to learning C Sharp, it is dependent to a couple of tools. And on this session, we're gonna be starting with Visual Studio 2022 at this point of time. And browsing to this website at visualstudio.microsoft.com downloads, you will see a couple of versions right now. So on the left, you'll see it's using Visual Studio 2022. And there is different editions. There's Community, Professional, and Enterprise. So the Professional and the Enterprise version are paid versions, and what we'll be using predominantly is Community. And this session will be using Windows operating system, although there's a version for Mac as well. But right now, on this tutorial, we'll be specifically focusing on Windows operating system. Now to get started, we need to download the community version, and this should be enough to allow you to learn C# all throughout the course. Now let us click here to retry the download. Now you see in the lower left, it's downloading successfully. Depending on the speed of your internet, this should only be a couple of minutes. Now let's go back a page and let us browse through on the Visual Studio hardware and software requirements. So on your initial stages, Google will be your best friend on helping you out on your learning process. So let us find Visual Studio hardware requirements. So on this page, you will see the supported operating systems. So make sure that you have a minimum of Windows 10 to allow you to install successfully. And scrolling down, the hardware requirements. So you will need at least 1.8 gigahertz and 4 gigabyte of RAM, and it is recommended to have 16 gigabyte. Although the specifications will run with lower RAM, but your work will actually struggle as you progress and create applications. And now let's double click the Visual Studio Community Executable. Click yes. Continue. So at this moment, I will do a pause and wait for it and come back to you until the download and install is completed.